Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's incredibly important for all of us, but especially as we get a little older: brain health. It's a common misconception that cognitive decline is an inevitable part of aging. While some changes are normal, a significant amount of research shows that our diet plays a massive role in protecting our brain cells, enhancing memory, and even warding off diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. In this video, we're going to dive into Boost Your Brain, the ultimate senior nutrition guide. We'll cover the specific nutrients your brain craves, the foods you should be eating, and some important lifestyle tips to keep your mind sharp and active for years to come. Whether you're a senior looking to take control of your health, or a family member wanting to support a loved one, this guide is for you. Part 1. The Essential Nutrients for Brain Health. Your brain is a complex organ that requires a steady supply of specific nutrients to function at its best. Think of it like a high-performance engine. It needs the right kind of fuel to run smoothly. Here are the key players. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. What they do. Omega-3s, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, are a crucial building block of your brain. They're essential for building and maintaining brain cell membranes, improving communication between cells, and reducing inflammation. Inflammation in the brain is a major contributor to cognitive decline and diseases. Evidence. The Journal of Alzheimer's Disease has published numerous studies linking higher omega-3 intake to a reduced risk of dementia. Research from the American Academy of Neurology also suggests that people with higher levels of omega-3s have better memory and are less likely to experience cognitive decline. Best sources. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines are the best sources. Aim for 2 servings per week. Other sources include walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. 2. Antioxidants, vitamin C, E, and flavonoids. What they do. As we age, our brains become more susceptible to damage from free radicals, which are unstable molecules. Antioxidants are like the body's defense team, neutralizing these free radicals and protecting brain cells from oxidative stress. Inflammation in the brain is a major contributor to cognitive decline and diseases. Evidence. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a diet rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant, was associated with a 20% lower risk of cognitive decline. Vitamin E, in particular, has been shown to slow the progression of Alzheimer's in some studies. Best sources? Vitamin C, oranges, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli. Vitamin E, almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Flavonoids, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, dark chocolate, and green tea. 3. B vitamins, B6, B12, and folate. What they do. These vitamins are vital for converting food into energy and for creating neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow brain cells to communicate. A deficiency in B vitamins, especially B12, is a common problem in older adults and is strongly linked to memory loss and confusion. Evidence. Research from the University of Oxford showed that supplementing with high doses of B vitamins could slow the brain atrophy, shrinkage, in areas linked to Alzheimer's disease. The Framingham Heart Study has also linked low B12 levels to poor memory and cognitive function. Best sources: B6, bananas, chickpeas, and chicken. B12, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and fortified cereals. It's important to note that many seniors have trouble absorbing B12 from food, so a supplement may be necessary. Folate, B9, leafy greens like spinach, asparagus, and lentils. 4. Vitamin K. What they do. Vitamin K is a lesser-known but important nutrient for brain health. It's been shown to play a role in memory and learning by helping to regulate calcium levels in the brain. Evidence. A study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that older adults with a higher intake of vitamin K performed better on memory tests. Part 2. The best foods for a healthy brain. Now that we know the key nutrients, let's talk about the specific foods you should be adding to your daily meals. The goal is to create a brain-healthy diet, and the MIND diet, Mediterranean Intervention for Neurodegenerative Delay, is an excellent blueprint. This diet combines 2 powerful eating plans to create a neuroprotective powerhouse. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Why? They are packed with folate, vitamin K, and other antioxidants. Examples: spinach, kale, and collard greens. How to eat them: add a handful to your smoothie, sauté them as a side dish, or make a big salad. 2. Berries. Why? Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory and delay cognitive decline. Examples: blueberries are often called a superfood for the brain. How to eat them: snack on them, add them to your oatmeal or yogurt, or use them in a smoothie. 3. Nuts. Why? A great source of healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Walnuts in particular are high in omega-3s. Examples: walnuts, almonds, and pecans. How to eat them: a handful a day as a snack, or sprinkle them on your salad. 4. Whole grains. Why? They provide a steady supply of glucose to the brain, which is its primary fuel source. They also contain B vitamins. Examples: oatmeal, brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa. How to eat them: start your day with a bowl of oatmeal and choose brown rice over white rice.
5. Fatty fish. Why? As mentioned before, they are the best source of brain-boosting omega-3s. Examples: salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines. How to eat them? Aim for at least 2 servings per week. Grilled, baked, or broiled are the healthiest options. Part 3. Important warnings and lifestyle tips. While a healthy diet is crucial, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some important warnings and other lifestyle factors to consider. 1. Stay hydrated. Warning: even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function, leading to confusion and difficulty concentrating. Tip: drink plenty of water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to have a glass of water with every meal and snack. 2. Limit processed foods and sugar. Warning: a high diet in processed foods, unhealthy fats, and refined sugar is linked to inflammation and an increased risk of cognitive decline. Tip: try to cook at home more often and avoid sugary drinks, fast food, and packaged snacks. 3. The importance of supplements. Warning: while a healthy diet should be your primary source of nutrients, some seniors may not be able to get enough B12 or other essential vitamins. Tip: talk to your doctor before starting any supplements. They can perform a blood test to check for any deficiencies and recommend the right products and dosages. 4. Exercise your body and your brain. Warning: a sedentary lifestyle is bad for both your body and your mind. Tip: engage in regular physical activity like walking, swimming, or dancing. Also, keep your brain active with puzzles, reading, learning a new skill, or playing a musical instrument. 5. Get quality sleep. Warning: sleep is when your brain cleanses itself and consolidates memories. A lack of quality sleep can impair memory and cognitive function. Tip: aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. In conclusion, you have more control over your brain health than you might think. By making smart choices at the grocery store and in the kitchen, you can provide your brain with the fuel it needs to stay sharp, focused, and healthy for many years to come. Remember the key takeaways. Focus on omega-3s, antioxidants, and B vitamins. Incorporate leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, and nuts into your diet. Stay hydrated, limit processed foods, and don't forget about exercise and sleep. By following these guidelines, you're not just aging, you're thriving. You're building a healthier, more resilient brain that will serve you well through all of life's adventures. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with someone you care about. We'll see you in the next one.